Alright, so we're going to do an epidermal peel for this red onion, and I like to do a box blade for this and cut into this purple layer. And then you want to rip, not tear, when you're getting this piece off. So kind of be mean to it and rip, because you see this clear hanging down. You want the clear, but what you really want, I'm going to see if I can get even closer here for you. You see those little pink cells right near where the big thick piece of the onion is? That's what we want, those little pink cells. So I'm going to lay this down and cut that off. Alright, so if you look, right, you can see some of that pink behind. It's not completely clear. So that's kind of the important bit there, is that pink area on the slide. I'm going to put a little bit of water on my slide and then pick up that thin slice of onion. It tends to wrinkle a little bit. That's not a big deal, because once you put it in the water, it should go ahead and expand back out for you. And then, you know, one of the most important techniques to making a slide is putting your cover slip on at an angle. So when we're looking here, that cover slips on at an angle, it's touching that liquid, and then I'm going to let it drop. And that's really to help prevent those air bubbles. And you can see there is pink there. It's not all clear. So we'll be able to see that large central vacuole underneath the microscope. And so it's ready to go there.